Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add extra baggage on your Etihad Airways. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now let's get into it. So for that, the very first step would be simply for you to access your browser and type in etihad.com as I have done on top and get into this official website of it. Now you can find this kind of interface, right? So first thing would be simply for you to enter information and simply start search flights and etc. Let's say you have confirmed a flight and now you would like to add yourself an extra bag. You're gonna go tap on this option called manage on top. Simply tap on this manage on top and now scroll down to the bottom of the menu of this extras. Now you will see this option called extra baggage. Now tap on it. And here in this section you can see check how much you can take. Now you gotta enter first of all the location. Let's we have this location, just gonna go with the recommendations and this is the one. And now you can see we have check how much you can take here in this. Now we're gonna go to go and now you can see economy and sale. We're gonna go with this information right now as of the. So now we can see we can cabin baggage 7 kgs allowed for us. Now need extra baggage and now we can see we need tap on this add now. Now we have to add in the booking reference or ticket number we have on our last name and tap on this extra baggage fee. Once we have paid for that extra baggage fee, we will be able to get ourselves an extra baggage on that particular flight. Otherwise again you can go back from start and tap on this direct buy extra baggage. Again it will ask for you to enter your reference number, your last name, and then you will have to tap on this find my booking. Once you have found your booking, it will ask for you to pay however much it costs. You can choose to do online pay as you did for your ticket purchasing as well, and then you will be able to get yourself an extra baggage permission. That's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.